In this class we will learn how to use the fill pattern command, which allows you to create fill pattern through the propagation of features, faces or bodies. Open the available file to track. We have activated the command in the toolbar. First we need to determine the fill limit and fill boundary, selecting sketches, flat curves on faces, coplanar faces or just one face. We select the face shown. Next, we will select the element that will be used to fill, which can be feature, solid or surface face or body. In our case, we activate the Features to Pattern box and select the feature shown. We have the preview of the fill and see that we can choose different layouts and edit different characteristics of each one. Explore these options later. We keep the option shown and move on. Note that by clicking on the Create Seed Cut option, we can customize the cut shape for the fill. Explore these options later. In our case, we want to fill with the previously selected feature, so we check the option Selected Features. Also see that we have the box Instances to skip, where we can indicate instances that we do not want to create by clicking on the respective points. We will change the fill limit by selecting the sketch shown. See that now the filling is performed only within the contours of the indicated sketch. We select the pattern layout of the polygon type and confirm. Observe the propagation of the feature. Test the definition of other fill patterns, improving the use of this command. We saw in this class how the fill pattern command works, making it possible to make fill patterns in an easy and practical way.